Welcome back to Daily Dash. Today we're diving into a topic that's reshaping the world as we know it: artificial intelligence and its impact on the future of work. AI is no longer science fiction, it's integrated into our daily lives, from voice assistants to advanced data analytics. But beyond convenience, AI is also transforming entire industries. AI refers to machines and software designed to mimic human intelligence. It can analyze data, learn from experiences, and even make decisions. Let's look at how AI is impacting different industries. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots are enhancing productivity, reducing errors, and even working alongside humans in collaborative roles. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment plans by analyzing medical data at unprecedented speeds and accuracy. The finance sector uses AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and customer service automation. Autonomous vehicles are a prime example of AI reshaping transportation, promising safer and more efficient travel. With these advancements, AI is also changing job roles. Routine tasks are becoming automated, leading to a shift in job requirements. Customer service is increasingly handled by chatbots. Data analysis, once a specialized task, is now often AI-assisted. However, this doesn't just mean job losses. New roles are emerging that require skills in AI management, data analysis, and ethical AI development. So, what does the future hold? Experts predict that while some jobs may become obsolete, AI will also create new opportunities, especially in tech, education, and creative industries. The key to thriving in this AI-driven future? Lifelong learning and adaptability. Understanding AI, even at a basic level, will be crucial for career growth. AI is here to stay, and its influence on work is just beginning. How we adapt to these changes will shape the future of our careers. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on technology and the future of work. What are your thoughts on AI and its impact on jobs? Let me know in the comments below.